Everybody wants that hoverboard. And we're not going to get to that hoverboard unless we keep advancing technology.
The work that we're doing here is going to be used to enable and kind of elevate the drone industry.
The past 3 to 5 years has been so much emerging in this region.
But you have to look at the players we have in entirety.
There's a great heritage of aviation and defense companies here in the region.
Numbers of radars and different sensors.
The major investment from the governor here over the last couple of years.
There's no way to stop the unmanned aircraft industry. It's a tsunami that's rolling, and there's nothing that's going to stop it.
The drone corridor is going to be one of our premier assets in central New York, the Mohawk Valley.
The New York UAS test site is one of 7 designated FAA test sites.
And that's going to really let us unlock this industry.
Create traffic management systems, research and technologies for drones.
We have drones flying in and out of our commercial airspace right now. We know how to do it.
The more we can show that we're investing, that's how we're going to attract more people here.
Be recognized as world leaders. It's great that it's building right here in our backyard.
A university like Syracuse University is that we are at the very beginning of this disruptive technology.
This is a coalition of all of the academic institutions in Onondaga and Oneida County.
The state has put a lot of money into central New York to help inspire business from around the world.
You have that being built right here.